Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by charging and inserting your SIM so the phone is ready. This prevents interruptions during setup. Once done, press and hold the right edge power button for about 3 seconds to boot. You will be guided through language selection, Wi-Fi connection, and adding your Google account. Make choices now to enable backups and Play Store access. Also set basic security, PIN or fingerprint, so you can proceed to personalize settings without repeating steps later. You should next update the system to ensure security patches and stability. Go to Settings, then System Updates, and apply any available patches. Once updated, install only the apps you need from the Play Store and manage permissions as you install them to protect privacy. Also, configure display brightness, refresh rate, and battery saver or performance mode depending on your priorities. This balances smoothness with battery life. Make sure to disable unwanted pre-installed apps and configure auto start policies. You finish by syncing contacts and enabling automatic backup so your data is safe. Go to Google Backup and confirm everything selected is backing up. Next, calibrate the fingerprint sensor, test rear and front cameras, and switch to gesture navigation if you want a modern feel. If something goes wrong, restart first. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate apps. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up. This clears software issues and returns the phone to a clean state.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.